and welcome to this week's YouTube tutorial, and this week we're talking all things colour for 2022. Rather than focusing on one key colour trend, we've taken a look at all of the interior trends for this coming year and made 3 fantastic collections spanning 15 colours for your colour of the year. We've got Earthy, Wellness and Bold Boho, so let's grab a cup of tea, get strapped in and chat through all of our colours now. So first up is our Wellness collection. Now, wellness has been a trend since 2020 started. It's a huge focus, and with more and more of us working from home, or even if you are in the office, our home is becoming our sanctuary. And these wellness colours can help to create that. They're fantastic for, they bring a little bit of the outside in. The greens and the blues, they invoke feelings of tranquility, calmness, peacefulness, and also optimism. They are great in rooms like a kitchen, in social areas within your home, in an office space, in your bedroom. So we have 5 key colours, and I'm going to talk through those now. So first up, it's Retreat. It's a gorgeous, pale, almost off-white, grey-green with a pearly undertone. It's so light it can be used on all walls in your home, or you could pick it out as a feature wall. Next up, it's Deep Breath. This is a stunning, again, soft green with a warm grey undertone. It's a great warming colour that once again can be used throughout the room or be picked out as a feature wall, and it pairs beautifully with warm wood tones. Next up is Self-Gratitude, and we've actually painted the wall behind me in this shade. It's a gorgeous mid-tone grey-green. It's got a little bit of an ivy undertone. It's a cooler shade of green and therefore works really well when it's paired with warm accents, whether that's on the remaining walls in the room or whether that's with warm textures such as your natural woods, wickers, tan leather and those kind of items. We've added blues to this collection too, with this first shade called Blue Paws. This is a light grey true blue shade, and it evokes feelings of stability. It's once again great throughout the room or as picked out as a feature wall. We've kept with grey undertone shades for this collection because they continue to evoke feelings of calmness, and I think this colour does that perfectly. And finally in this collection we have Mindset, which is a soft grey Arctic blue with a twilight undertone. So it's still pale enough that you could use throughout the room, but it would stand alone as a feature wall as well. It's got lovely warming tones to it, this one, and again I would pair it with some nice warm accessories. Next up is our Earthy collection. These shades tend to be rooted in nature with soothing, subdued shades that could be the perfect backdrop in your home. They bring the outside in and tend to be made up from lovely warm browns, warm neutrals, some warm earthy shades like your reds and your oranges, and some kind of dirty mustard ochres as well. They can have a brilliant psychological impact, which is why they've been brought into interior design as well, to really make your house a home. Up first is Inverted Clouds. This is a gorgeous light taupe greyish shade that's reminiscent of the sunlight peeking through the clouds, hence the name. It's amazing for a full room. It's nice and pale and pared back, or you could use it for some colour blocking or as a feature wall. So next up is Stay Grounded. It's that shade deeper than your Inverted Clouds. It's a peachy greyish tone but with a real brown undertone, really invoking that earthy feel. Next up is Dried Pampas, which brings together all of those earthy tones that we love with a mid-tone neutral that has camel yellow and olive undertones. We've named this one after the most popular home accessory around for 2021, and that is not going anywhere in 2022, Dried Pampas. Next up we have Morning Sun, and this one enables you to bring a pop of colour with those lovely gorgeous earthy undertones to your room. Great for a feature wall. It is a rusty orange with a copper undertone, and as the name suggests, it's like bringing a little bit of sunshine into your home. And finally we have Canyon, and as the name suggests, it's quite a saturated shade of ginger orange colour, really rustic kind of undertones, and great to add a pop of colour to your home but keeping with that down to earth vibe. So our final collection is Bold Boho, and this is about bringing some drama and feature into your home, but we've still gone for muted, toned down versions of these colours to keep it really on trend and earthy. We've got 5 amazing shades that you could use as some fantastic feature walls or colour blocking or even full rooms if you're going for something really daring. First up, we've got Hemp Seed, which is a beautiful mid-tone grey shade with a teddy bear brown undertone to it. It's the perfect warm colour for a cosy bedroom, paired with natural textures and a lovely pale warm taupe shade on the other walls. Next up we have Gypsy Beads, which is a lovely warm toned rose pink, even with a hint of a brown undertone to it in certain lights. It is a gorgeous cocoon and warm shade, perfect really for any room in your home, great as a feature wall, as a colour block, or it can even be taken right throughout the room. Next up is Tea Leaves, which is a Merlot grey with an oaky undertone, so a really lovely brown grey shade. It is the simplest expression of nature in your home. It really does bring the outside in. It's lovely and bold, a perfect feature wall, especially when paired with some natural textures, such as the wood slatin that's a really big trend at the moment. Next up, we have Teal Tango. This is a deep grey Caribbean aqua shade with a turquoise undertone, a gorgeous teal shade, true teal shade. What I love about teal is it pairs the stability of blue with the freshness and tranquility of green. Really perfect for a fantastic feature wall in your home. Yeah. Our final colour is Sweet Licorice, which is a gorgeous, really deep charcoal, almost black colour with a warm undertone. Black shades and off black shades are the perfect way to add a real visual punch to your room, elegance, excitement, and they're perfect when balanced with some black accessories. So hopefully that's given you all a bit of an insight into our colour of the year for 2022 and the 3 fantastic collections that we've pulled together. We'll be back soon with even more inspiration and advice with future videos, so make sure you subscribe below. We'd love to hear your feedback, give us a like, drop us any comments with any questions, and in the meantime, if you want to shop any of our Colour of the Year 2022 collection, they're available over on the website. I'll pop you the link below. We'll be back soon. See you then. Bye!